Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In Kali Yuga there are four bona fide sampradayas: Sri, Brahma, Rudra, Sanaka. Sri Sampradaya begins from Sri Lakshmi Devi, Acharya Ramanujacharya. Brahma Sampradaya begins from Brahma, and Brahma received this Vedic knowledge, Jnana, Dharma Tattva from Supreme Lord Himself. You understand? Acharya is Madhvacharya. Sri Brahma Rudra. Sampradaya begins from Rudradev, Shivaji. Acharya in Kali Yuga is Vishnu Swami, original Acharya. And Sanaka Sampradaya or Kumar Sampradaya begins from Kumaras, for Kumaras. Acharya is Nimbarka Acharya. Do you understand? Chatvaraste Kalo Bhavya Utkale Purushottama. These four sampradayas are bona fide, are Vaishnava sampradayas. These four are Vaishnava sampradayas. It's Vaishnava Kiti Pavana. They have preached Vaishnava philosophy, Bhakti Tattva. But in their philosophy, there's some little difference regarding Dvaitavad and Advaitavad. So Mahaprabhu came after these four acharyas, who took up the essence of from these philosophies of these four acharyas. Do you understand? And he gave a philosophy that is Achintya Bheda Bhedavad. Do you understand? Achintya Bheda Bhedavad. Complete Dvaitavad and complete Advaitavad is not correct. Do you understand? So Dvaita and Advaita, both are there, and Achintya simultaneously is inconceivable. One and different. That is the last sublime philosophy. And Mahaprabhu, Sriman Mahaprabhu is Supreme Personality Godhead Himself. He is not a mere Sampradaya Pravartaka Acharya, the Supreme Personality Godhead. Do you understand? So this is the latest, most sublime philosophy is Achintya Bheda Bhedavad. And this will come out, Padma Purana says, in Utkala Khanda Purushottama Kshetra, and will spread throughout the world. That was prophecy. Now this has come out true, isn't it? Mahaprabhu, when took up sannyas, went to Purushottama Kshetra, met Sarvabhautacharya, follower of Shankaracharya, great scholar, Brahaspati avatar, incarnation Brahaspati, Advaitavad. Then there was discussion on this Vedanta Sutra. At that time Mahaprabhu expressed this thing. He gave this philosophy of Achintya Bheda Bhedavad. That is in this Purushottama Kshetra, Utkala Khanda. That came out there. And now it is spreading through district succession. So Vishnu Swami, Nimbarka, Ramanuja, Madhva, Out of these four acharyas, Vishnu Swami came first. Then Nimbarka. Exact time has not yet been ascertained. The appearance of Vishnu Swami and Nimbarka. Ramanujacharya came in 12th century and Madhacharya came in 13th century. Madhacharya came last. The philosophy of Vishnu Swami is Suddha Dvaitavad. Adi Vishnu Swami introduced Tridandi Sannyas and 108 names of sannyas. That was Ashtottara Satanam, one of the names. Sannyas names should be one of the 8 names. Do you understand? That's Ashtottara Satanam, you see. The philosophy of Vishnu Swami is known as Suddha Dvaita, and philosophy of Shankaracharya is known as Viddha Dvaita or Kevala Dvaita. Do you follow? Jagadatma. These are names, specific name. And Siddha Swami comes in this Sampradaya, Vishnu Swami Sampradaya. That means Rudra Sampradaya Acharya. Do you understand? Who is the best of commentators of Srimad Bhagavatam. Do you follow? And Mahaprabhu has accepted him. Siddha Swami Guru Kari Mani, Siddharanugatva Karo Bhagavata Bhakyan. Mahaprabhu has said. Accept Siddha Swami as Guru of Bhagavata, commentator. And when you give commentary on Srimad Bhagavata, you must follow Siddha Swami, his authority, Acharya. The philosophy of Ramanujacharya is known as Visishta Dvaitavad. You understand? And philosophy of Nimbarkacharya is known as Dvaita Dvaitavad. And philosophy of Madhacharya is known as Suddha Dvaitavad. Do you understand? So you'll find in philosophy of Vishnu Swami, philosophy of Nimbarka, philosophy of Ramanuja, there is the thoughts of Advaitavad in their philosophy. Their philosophy is known as Suddha Dvaita, Dvaita Dvaita, Visishta Dvaita. But in philosophy of Madhacharya, there is no touch of Advaitavad. No touch of Advaitavad. Is Suddha Dvaitavad. Do you understand? You may have seen the figure of Madhacharya, Tritiya Maruti Tanu, the third incarnation of Vayudev. Do you understand? Vayudev, Vayu. Huh? Wind, or what you say? Vayudev? What do you say? Vayu. Wind god. Like wind god. Vayudev. Tritiya, third incarnation. First incarnation is Hanuman. Second incarnation Bhim. Third incarnation Madhacharya. Very strong and stout. You understand? Yes. And you have seen his figure. He has raised 2 fingers. That means 2 Dvaita, not Advaita. You understand? And practically, it's much worse. He preached against Advaita and completely destroyed that philosophy. Says only 2 Dvaita, no Advaita. You understand? So in this way, there is some little difference. Though these 4 acharyas are Vaishnava acharyas, they have preached Vaishnava philosophy, Bhakti Tattva. Still there is some little difference between their philosophy regarding Dvaita Advaita. So complete Advaita and complete Dvaitavad is not correct. Not correct. Therefore, Mahaprabhu came, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Supreme Personality of Godhead himself, from whom comes the real knowledge. Isn't it? Matasmati jnana apana. Sachidananda vigraha. Sanmaya, chinmaya, anandamaya. Chinmaya means full of knowledge. Transcendent knowledge comes. So Mahaprabhu picked up the essence of this four philosophies, of these four acharyas, and gave this philosophy, a sublime philosophy, latest, no more than this Achintya Vedaveda.